At 12 years old, you expect most kids to still be enjoying middle school and not preparing for their future careers.
But one local student is skipping high school, headed straight to college. Here's KVU's Darrenisha Aaron.
Shredding the streets and making beats. Deep hairs is your average preteen, except one thing.
Well, so now I'm in college.
Yeah, this 12-year-old starts college at ACC next month.
I ended up helping out my classmates and my friends with homework, walking them through it, just because I wasn't feeling challenged. I did it for fun, and I did it as a way to socialize.
Deep's parents, Rosie and Roger, say they aren't surprised. In first grade, Deep was reading at a 7th grade level.
I think reading and speaking was something he just grabbed onto, and we just kept on putting one book after another book.
And that fed his drive to learn, but it wasn't always easy.
I wasn't always the A+ student. I was missing confidence in those situations. The main advice I can give, if you have purpose to do what you want to do, or if you have a big reason to do something, you'll automatically get the motivation and get the focus because you know something's on the line.
And his motivation is landing him in his favorite place to be, downtown Austin.
That's like my safe place. I go there for a hobby. I go there to explore. I take photography with my dad. I eat food with my mom.
And now learning there. But when it comes to his living situation,
if you can pay your bills,
you're ready to move
you're
out.
ready to go. Ready, let's get
That's
you out
our
of
little thing, agreement.
So he won't be leaving anytime soon. But his choice to leave middle school for college took 3 months of studying and passing a test.
I don't think I'm missing out on anything because I'm able to, do what I love now, and that's something I've dreamed of.
Dreams he thanks his parents for nurturing. Once he's done at ACC, Deep plans to transfer to UT for business and take over his family's real estate company. In Austin, I'm Darrenisha Aaron.
Yeah, I look at myself compared to that kid and I'm like, thurp, thurp. He's a genius.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Well spoken, got a good drive.
He is adorable. He is
Yeah.
going to go so far.
I can't wait to watch to see where he does go. That's a great story. Darrenisha, thank you.